Konnichiwa minasan. So I am back in a rental car here at Flip Flop. This car is different, it's a little bit older, the same price as the last one, 2,500 yen. And today I'm gonna go south in Okinawa. So first of all, I was thinking about going to the Gushikawa Castle ruins, then Cape Kyang, the Ryukyu Glass Village whenever they open. I also want to go to the Peace Creation Forest Park, Himayuri Memorial Tower, and then the Peace Memorial Park. And then a little bit further up, I want to go to Okinawa World, where I probably will spend the most time. And Gushikawa Castle ruins if I have time or if I want to. And then I would also like to just go to a Uniqlo because I found a really nice pair of shorts and I regret not buying it, so I want to do that. And then I will talk to you soon. Okay, first stop is Gushikawa Castle ruins. Let's go. Whew. It's like being steamed alive at this point. Oh wow! Look! That's the ocean! It was windy. Oh, good lord. Oh, why did I not bring a hair tie with me or something? Well, oh well. So the castle ruins in itself was not really anything out of the ordinary in my opinion, but the view was amazing. So even though I had a really good view of the coast, I still want to go to Cape Kyang. So something Kyang. Because yeah, the view was just so great, so I just want to see some more. And it is just 4 minutes away by car, so let's go there now. Get all of my hair, which is now tangled, and we're gonna do a little spin. Bloop. And then we're just gonna shove it in the cap like that. Haha. Wonder what does it look like in the 90s. Okay, it's just getting worse. Good enough. Let's go look at the view. So if you didn't know, even though it is so beautiful here at the Cape Kyang, it was actually a famous spot to commit suicide during the Second World War when America was invading Japan. So even though it's really beautiful to look at, it's also very sad to think that so many people died. So, and not just this Cape Kyang, but also different places along the coast. So yeah, there's some dark history here in Okinawa, sadly. So yeah, next up we're going to the Peace Creation Forest Park. And after that I really want to go to Himayuri Memorial Tower. So let's get going. So here we have a in the car, another stray cat, so cute, is meowing at me. Anyway, still don't have any internet on my phone, so I'm trying to get to the Himayuri Memorial Tower. So I think I'm just gonna try to get there by myself. It's road 223, and I guess maybe along the way I'll get some internet connection. So, yep. So apparently I think a whole school is gonna go to the Himayuri Memorial. People have delivered flowers, how nice. So this is the Himayuri Peace Museum, which is dedicated to the female students that was aged 15 to 19 that were mobilized for duty to a Japanese army hospital as the Himayuri Student Corps. So let's go there. Oh, sorry, there's no photography or video recording from here on, so I have to stop. I am done at the museum. It was really well made and made me quite emotional, to be honest, about thinking about all the students that tried their best. And I think like one of the worst parts was like at the end they were just dismissed and they had to just fend for themselves, and the entire ward in Okinawa, like 1/4 of the Okinawans were killed or died somehow during the war. So that's kind of crazy thinking, like 25%. And yeah, by the sound you might have guessed that oh lord, what am I gonna do? Oh well, that's why I brought my umbrella, so I guess just have to bite the bullet and go. Dear customer, we are sorry to inform you that the snorkeling trip is cancelled. No, I was gonna go snorkeling tomorrow. Beep. And that was my last chance to do snorkeling in Okinawa because I'm leaving on Saturday. Why? I should have scheduled it earlier. The Himayuri Peace Museum was absolutely worth the trip. It was very interesting to learn about the history of Okinawa. So from now on, I think I want to go to Okinawa World. And I'm getting a little bit hungry. I did bring an apple, but I don't really want that apple. So I think I'm just gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna go to like a proper restaurant or if I'm just gonna go to a company. I guess I'm just gonna go for the first thing I see. So yeah, back on the road again, Frodo Baggins. Okay, next stop is Okinawa World. And it's raining. Oh, this looks slippery. We'll see when we get there. Oh my god. Anyway, I got my tickets. Well, I'm gonna go to the cave first, so, and I will see how soaked I am by that point, and then see if I explored everything else. I mean, like, it's 2,000 yen, so it's quite expensive, so I mean, like, it would be a shame not to see what else they got here. But yeah, first of all, let's go to the caves. Let's go. Oh wow. So I love this cave, it looks amazing, and I love that I can actually touch it. But I'm also a little bit paranoid that just some of the spikes are gonna fall off and just hit me right in the head and kill me. But so far so good. Like, look at that. I like that they have cool lights here so it's easier to see, and as I said, it's like you're right in your face. What? So I'm out of the cave, and as you can clearly see, it's still pouring outside. Oh no. Holy moly, that is a lot of rain. That is a lot of rain. Hope you can hear me through the rain. So I started here, the cave entrance, and then all the way here. So now it's kind of, you know, like just walking back to the parking lot. We have tropical orchards, Ryukyu Kingdom Castle town. That looks cool. I think I'm gonna skip the show venue and the brewery. Just maybe a quick stop here to see if I want to buy something, and then walk back. No, more outside. Oh Lord, have mercy! Oh, yeah, this is the brewery, by the way. So I was like, oh yeah, the brewery, that's cool. And I was like, that looks like snakes, and it is snakes. Oh, that is really, really disturbing. I don't know if you can tell. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything here, but I'm just gonna have a quick look anyway. Oh my god, have you seen these notebooks? I so do not need it, but it's adorable. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Okay, I made it outside now. Let's get to the car. So I am back in the car. It's still raining a lot, and I even heard some thunder, so that's interesting. My shoes contain more water than shoes at this point. So I don't think I'm gonna be out and about until 8. That's when I have to return the car. So I think I'm gonna go to a mall and maybe do some shopping. I know there's a pair of shorts that I want to buy from Uniqlo, and just to again just see another part of Okinawa, and then after that I will fill up the car with gas and then return the car and go back home. Let's go back on the road again. So here I am at the mall, and I love that the mall also have shisas. They're so cute. So these are the shorts that I was talking about. This is a size S, so very big difference between S and a double L here in Japan. So I'm gonna buy this one, and I found a really cute and funny t-shirt I'm gonna show you. Bless this mess. 2023. My battery's gonna die any second now, so I will see you back in the car. So it is 4 o'clock right now, and I think I'm gonna go back to Naha and return the car. And after that, I think I'm just gonna relax at home. I need to take a shower, and I need to dry my shoes, so they are dry for tomorrow. And I'm also gonna spend some time editing a vlog that's gonna come up before this video. If you haven't seen my other road trip video with Marie, you can look at it up here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Mata ne!